Yeah, it's V Putin, straight from the Kremlin. Sipping vodka, looking like a gremlin. Ops talk bold, poof, they disappear. Found in a lot of trunk, end of career. Born in the cold, Leningrad.
Today's video is sponsored by the Next Wolverine. Open your clip in the Fusion page, and add a merge node. Bring a background node in empty space. This one is basically the color of your spectrum, so you can do whatever you want. Change the type to gradient. Move the start and end points, so you have a vertical gradient. For the color combination, use your terrible taste to decide what colors you want to have. Once you are done with this, add a rectangle mask to the background node. Adjust the size of the mask to create your slice. Increase the corner radius slider to make it smoother in the corner. Add a transform node after the mask, and make sure the mask is connected to the yellow point of the transform node. Move the pivot point and align it with the starting point of your shape. At this point you can either animate the aspect slider, or if you are stupid like me, you can uncheck the size box, and animate the Y size. Right-click to the slider, and select to modify it with the Fairlight Animator. Go to the Modifiers tab, and here you can increase the level, if you want a stronger look. Add a duplicate node after the transform. Increase the copies slider, and bring down the time offset slider to -0.5 or -1. Move the center position, and at this part it's up to you, just play around with the sliders to find your look. Increase the copies to cover the frame. Connect the background node to the green point of the merge node. Select the merge node and move the position. This is a simple setup to get the effect. It's up to you to play around with the settings, and come up with something way better looking than my ugly spectrum. Speaking about better looking, you can buy my pack, and pretend that you are a good editor.